Have you ever wondered how to ensure your children's financial future without needing a fortune to get started? Many parents feel lost when it comes to planning for their children's financial stability, but the truth is, you don't need to be an expert or start with a lot of money. In this video, we'll walk you through 15 simple and accessible steps that can transform your child's financial future, opening doors to endless opportunities and giving them the freedom to thrive as adults. From creating strong financial habits to saving and investing wisely, and even growing their wealth over time, these steps are designed to be actionable, practical, and effective. Stick with us, and by the end, you'll have a complete roadmap to secure their financial independence. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Why start now? But before we continue, I'd like to take a moment of your time. Imagine reprogramming your mind to think like a billionaire. With the billionaire brainwave, you can activate your theta brainwave in just 7 minutes a day, unlocking creativity, focus, and a success-driven mindset. Developed by neuroscientists and used by thousands in over 70 countries, this simple program has been transforming lives, helping people achieve financial freedom and turn their dreams into reality. And the best part? It comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk for you. Want to give it a try? Click the link in the description or simply point your phone at the QR code. Let's continue. Time is one of the most powerful tools in building wealth, especially when it comes to securing your children's future. Starting early doesn't just allow investments to grow, it gives each dollar more time to benefit from compounding growth, multiplying the impact of even small contributions. But what does this mean for you? It means that you don't need to be a financial expert or have a large sum of money up front. By taking the first steps now, you're setting up a chain reaction that will steadily build financial security over time. Think of this as planting a tree. The earlier you plant it, the stronger and taller it grows. Likewise, when you start planning and investing today, your children's financial tree has time to grow deep roots and withstand future challenges. These small steps will eventually compound into something powerful, allowing them the freedom and stability you envisioned for their future. Overview of the 15 steps. In this video, we've organized our 15 steps into 3 simple but impactful stages: foundations, saving and investing, and growth strategies. Each category builds on the previous one, creating a comprehensive plan for your child's financial success. We start with foundations, the building blocks of financial knowledge and habits that help children understand the value of money and the basics of managing it wisely. Next, we dive into saving and investing, covering practical ways to set aside and grow money. Finally, we'll explore growth strategies for maximizing investments, so your child's wealth continues to expand well into adulthood. This 3-part roadmap is easy to follow, with each stage bringing you and your child closer to financial security and independence. Together, these steps will show you how to build a sustainable financial future, one stage at a time. Category 1: Foundations. Creating a strong foundation is essential for any financial journey, and this section focuses on the early habits and mindset that will set your child up for long-term success. Here are 5 foundational steps to help your child start on the right foot. Step 1: Define financial goals. Setting clear financial goals from the beginning helps create a vision for the future. Together with your child, discuss realistic targets like saving for college, future travel, or even their first car. Having these goals in mind gives both of you a direction, making the savings process more intentional and focused. Step 2: Introduce financial education. Financial literacy is often overlooked, yet it's key to lifelong security. Start by explaining basic money concepts, such as saving, budgeting, and understanding wants versus needs. Even young children can grasp these ideas when framed in simple terms. This knowledge will serve as a solid base for managing their finances independently later on. Step 3: Develop a saving mindset. Instilling the habit of saving helps children understand that financial stability is built through consistency. Encourage them to set aside a portion of any money they receive, whether from allowances, gifts, or small earnings. This routine creates discipline, teaching them the value of setting aside money before spending. Step 4. Implement goal-oriented allowances. A great way to build responsibility is to introduce allowances with a purpose. Divide their allowance into categories, one for spending, one for saving, and one for sharing or donating. This approach shows them that money isn't just for spending, it's also a tool for building security and helping others. Step 5. Encourage small income opportunities. Simple ways of earning, like selling crafts or doing small jobs for family and friends, help children understand the value of effort. Not only does this teach them how to earn money, but it also shows the satisfaction of achieving financial goals through their own work, fostering a sense of independence. These foundational steps will help your child form a positive and proactive relationship with money. By the end of this stage, they'll have a deeper understanding of financial basics, ready to take on the next level of saving and investing. Category 2. Saving and investing. Now that your child has a strong foundation, it's time to explore practical methods for saving and investing. In this section, we'll cover 5 actionable steps to help you start growing their wealth gradually and safely. Step 6. Create a dedicated savings account. Setting up a specific savings account for your child's future allows their funds to grow securely. You can start with a traditional savings account or a high-interest savings account, depending on your goals. A dedicated account makes it easier to track progress, and it's a tangible reminder for your child that they're working towards something meaningful. Step 7. Introduce low-risk investment accounts. Once you've established a savings account, consider setting up an investment account with low-risk options. Many parents start with conservative investments like government bonds or low-fee mutual funds. These choices are safer, especially for long-term goals, and they introduce your child to the concept of investing without exposing them to high risk. Step 8. Explain compound interest with real-life examples. Compound interest can be a powerful ally in wealth building, but it's often an abstract concept for children. Show them how compound interest works with a simple example. Imagine you start with £100 and earn 5% interest. Instead of taking out the earnings, you reinvest them. Over time, you'll see that your money grows faster each year. Visual examples can help them see the long-term benefits of keeping their money invested. Step 9. Take advantage of tax-beneficial accounts. Many countries offer tax-advantaged accounts designed for education or long-term savings. In the UK, for example, a junior ISA, individual savings account, allows tax-free growth on investments made for children. These accounts help maximize returns by reducing the tax burden, and they're a smart addition to any savings plan. Step 10. Start with accessible investments. For parents looking to go beyond simple savings, consider beginner-friendly investment options like index funds or government bonds. These are generally affordable, low risk, and provide steady returns over time. With these investments, your child can start building wealth in a way that is both accessible and educational. By implementing these steps, you're laying the groundwork for your child to see real, measurable growth in their finances. These strategies demonstrate that investing isn't just for adults with large incomes, it's for anyone willing to start small and stay consistent. Category 3. Growth strategies. With savings and initial investments in place, it's time to focus on strategies that will help your child's wealth grow sustainably over the long term. This final category introduces 5 advanced but accessible steps for maximizing investment growth while keeping risk in check. Step 11. Diversify investments gradually. Diversification is key to reducing risk and ensuring steady growth. As the funds in your child's portfolio grow, consider adding a mix of investment types, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate funds. Diversification helps balance the portfolio, protecting it from fluctuations in any single market and giving it a better chance to grow consistently over time. Step 12. Reinvest earnings for compound growth. Whenever possible, reinvest any returns your child's investments generate. By reinvesting earnings instead of withdrawing them, you leverage the power of compounding further, allowing the portfolio to grow exponentially. This strategy shows how small reinvestments today can lead to substantial growth in the future. Step 13. Review and adjust the portfolio annually. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your child's investment portfolio is a smart way to ensure it's aligned with financial goals and market conditions. Each year, take time to check how each investment is performing and make adjustments as needed. This annual review teaches flexibility and the importance of adapting to changes in financial goals or market trends. Step 14. Consider long-term investment opportunities. Certain long-term investments, such as retirement accounts or educational funds, can be invaluable in preparing for your child's future. Options like education funds, which can grow tax-free until they're needed for tuition, provide a stable financial resource as they transition into adulthood. These investments can offer high returns over decades, helping cover significant future expenses. Step 15. Involve your child in family financial discussions. As your child grows, involving them in family financial discussions can deepen their understanding of money management. Start by explaining basic family expenses, budgeting, and the principles behind investments. This approach teaches responsibility and equips them with practical knowledge, giving them a clearer view of financial realities and the confidence to manage their own money as they mature. By following these growth strategies, you're ensuring that your child's financial future is supported by a balanced and well-thought-out investment plan. These final steps provide the tools to make their portfolio resilient and adaptable, preparing them for a lifetime of financial stability and opportunity. Encouragement for immediate action. As we wrap up, remember that building your child's financial future doesn't require huge sums of money or complex financial strategies. It simply takes consistent action and a commitment to these small, practical steps. Every effort you make today plants seeds for their financial independence, giving them the freedom and stability to pursue their dreams without financial stress. By starting now, you're creating a foundation that can open doors and provide security that will last a lifetime. So, take that first step today. But before we continue, I'd like to take a moment of your time. Imagine reprogramming your mind to think like a billionaire. With the Billionaire Brainwave, you can activate your theta brainwave in just 7 minutes a day, unlocking creativity, focus, and a success-driven mindset. Developed by neuroscientists and used by thousands in over 70 countries, this simple program has been transforming lives, helping people achieve financial freedom and turn their dreams into reality. And the best part? It comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk for you. Want to give it a try? Click the link in the description or simply point your phone at the QR code. Let's continue. Whether it's opening a savings account, setting up an investment fund, or teaching your child the basics of money management, each action you take is a step toward securing their future. If this video has given you valuable insights into securing your child's financial future, don't stop here. Keep building your knowledge. Be sure to like this video, as your support helps us reach more parents looking to make a difference. Leave a comment sharing which steps you're excited to try, or if there's something specific you'd like to learn about in future videos. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all our content aimed at helping you and your family succeed financially. Share this video with a friend who might benefit from it too, and if you found value here, be sure to watch our next video. It will provide even more tips and tools to guide you on this journey. If this video added something meaningful for you, watch the next one. It's designed to add even more value to your financial journey.